Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue our learning about a Colab platform, and now we'll see how we'll use the secret utilities so we can confidently share our files with others. Even to we can post it to GitHub. At the same time, our API keys, our passwords, all other credentials, it will not be exposed to the others. So when someone else use our code or when we share with others, they have to use their own credentials, their own API keys to access the or to run the scripts whatever we share. Even we can post to GitHub also without exposing our credentials. This is about Colab secrets. We'll learn more about this. We are in our Colab platform. Colab is a Google's free cloud-based Python platform where you can use our Python code, and this is associated with your Google account. So you can just log into your Google account and just search Colab or Google's Colaboratory. You will get it. You will be here. Now here it is. We are inside. Just mark this left side corner secrets. Now click this. Once you click this, you can see here already I have created earlier whatever I have created, it is available. I can delete them or I can recreate them also. What is the advantage of it storing here? So let's just create one, add a new secret. So I am giving it say my password. I am giving say 1 2 3 4 5 6 ABC. Anything I can just give it. This for my testing. So I can just toggle also. Let me just come out. Yeah, I can toggle. This will be, and I can copy this, and here I can delete it. Now this is available. Now my point is here we'll see in our script how we will integrate it. Now let us just, I am pasting 2 line of code. Here you see from Google Colab import user data. Then this is the variable whatever I am setting it here. User data get. Here I have to must match what I am given here. My PW or my password whatever I have given. Now this variable will have the value from here. But I have to permit it. So I have given the access. So now this is available here. Just for testing purposes, I will just print it to see API key. So this is the variable name. I will run this, it will print it. But usually whatever the credential will never expose it. So there is no necessity like this. But this is for our testing purposes. We are doing it. So I am just running it. It is connecting and it will check down. Say in my own account I am using it. So it will allow me. So here you see it can print out. Now what will happen? Usually we don't print like this any credential. You can add it. So suppose any API key you got it, Gemini API key, you can just add new secret. You can go give the name, is the name of the variable what you are accessing. So here this is like this. So that I am keep it here. The value I will go, then I can use it. Now let's see this particular one. In this place you can use the API keys or whatever you want. Let me just delete this. Okay. Now this how I can use it in a different page on a different account also. We'll see how this affects. Now let me just start a new notebook in Drive. Now here it is, it's just starting. Now I am in the same account. I have not changed my account. So I should be, I have to give the access to use that one particularly, that whatever credential we have stored it. Now let me just paste it here. Now I am accessing this particular user data. So it will ask for my permission. Let us run this and see. So it will ask me, I have to give the permission, then only it will able to access it. Here you see notebook doesn't have secret notebook. My grant access, you can cancel it or grant access. Now once I am granting the access, here it is, I am getting it. This is within my account. I can click share, and this file I can share with others. Similarly, I can click the file, then save a copy in Drive or GitHub. I can save it. Once I save it, I can say others can see this repository, and I can share also. But note that in all the cases, my secrets are not exposed. In another account, I am opening which file I have shared. So let us just see, the code will be shared, but I can't get the access to the particular the secrets or the API key, whatever. Here it is. I have in another account I have opened it. Now let me just This is because of the output I have shared. It has come up here, but let me run it. Run anyway. Not authored. Okay, run anyway. Now you can see there, it will tell me that this is not available to in this account. Yeah, it has given me a error saying me that the part doesn't exist, because in this account the same secret key or that API will not be available. To run the script, the user must create its own API and keep it in its secrets, and then the script will work. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.